Yes, good evening.
Can you speak up, please? Because
Yeah, I'm speaking up.
Okay, wait. Share your Facebook at Instagram mungbo. I confirm te bangbo. Okay, my sister, can you please introduce yourself, please?
Okay, my name is Naimoli on TikTok though. So I'm in for like justice for Mohbad. One of the people that yes on TikTok, we all listen, we go around, everybody wants to hear what's going on and seeking justice. And I'm of the belief that justice for one is justice for all. And I'm a female, yeah. Let me say that for now. But in case you have any question or when you want me to pause whenever I'm playing it, no problem. I would pause and replay or continue. And I'm thinking maybe some I might not play. I'll forward it to you because of some certain names.
Okay.
But I will play the evidence. Yes.
Okay.
They are actually on the internet for everyone's disposal.
No, hold on, my sister.
Yes.
Nay. Hold on.
Okay.
How do you know? Can you start from the beginning? So that me, I don't understand anything that is happening. So, bere lati bere, bo se shele, bo se gba owo. Oh yeah, start. We are listening. We are hearing you profusely.
Thank you very much. So this is it. On Sunday, before Sunday, I've been observing some kind of, behavior of some set of people that claim to be for justice for Mohbad.
My sister. Nay. Hold on. Yes, when you say set of people, please be mentioning names because set of people are many. Mention their names.
Okay, no problem. I would say the Papariano, Aries, that's she calls herself Supreme Iron Lady, Botija, also known as Victoria. There's Adenike. There's what's this person's name too? There's Susie for Justice. There's the IT guy. We had a conversation this morning and they were running helter-skelter. I don't know why. There's Andy. There's they also talk with the anti-justice of Olule. They have them up on their platform like Abati, Top Movies, Bolly B. They have Lizzie Diamond, there's Gabby Olites, there's Chairman Otumba. I think at some point you were wanting the Chairman Otumba. Yinka Ade, Crunchy Queen, and so many of them. Aristocrats is also inclusive of all this cake crown. There's this guy called Cake Crown. He tried threatening me, but then I've been able to find out his identity.
Nay, if anybody come for you, let me know.
Thank you very much. So Cake Crown actually is coming under the ID of Mayor, which I got to discover today. Then there's Blackboard. So many of them, they always take these people up on their panel and they drag Baba Mohbad, accusing Baba Mohbad of frauding the public for money. So that got me thinking that what are these people up to? And I got intrigued in it. Initially, I'd actually even told Paparano while I was on his live one day, I'm like, from the way you sound like a mole, like you're not honest with the justice. I don't know where you belong, but let me just, maybe from benefit of doubt, I might be wrong, but then let me just keep watching. But one thing I observed about justice for Mohbad is this. I'm sure people can bear me witness. If I'm going to juggle people's memory back, so this is going to bring us all to this day. Please, bear with me.
No, take your time. I'm here for you. Take your time.
Thank you very much. From, let's say, September, let me just put it like from January, when I even got more interested in this case. Like, I usually watch you on Facebook and I check other posts on Instagram before I entered, use my TikTok account to now follow up again. So I noticed something that people were always complaining, justice is not moving. And I got to find out that, okay, there are some certain people that were involved inside this case. When I noticed that the justice was moving was from May, June. And I got to realize that it was when this certain public people's lawyer were out of the court case. There was a period where they were out. I will play it, where even a certain host on TikTok had to interview one of the Bankole and Smith. And he said, oh, because he works for his client at that universe, blah, 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 blah. So when I noticed the step of everything moving well, I now got to understand that it seems as these people were off, there is progress in justice for Mohbad. Let me take everyone back. Before then, Mr. Muyiwa used to come on TikTok. We try to beg everyone. That's Baba's brother. That's Mohbad's father's brother.
Yeah.
He usually beg everyone that please let's work together and everything. They ask him questions. He's like, oh, all these things you are asking me. For example, like private autopsy, that they have sent requests, but they have not granted them. I remember then when you used to say, let's be praying that they will grant us room to do this inquest more than once a month, so that we have a progress in it. If you remember, you used to say that.
I used to say it, yeah.
Yes. So long before May, June, at that period, these people were working. I'm not blaming them. They might not know this is what these people that they are working for are doing, like at that universe and our public are doing. So on a certain platform in May, when I challenged Papariano, I said, come, whenever you're giving your talk, anti-justice are always on your panel. They'll say all sorts of things. Any advice you have, I think you should send it to the legal team. Let them work behind the camera in order for us to have justice. You don't come out and tell your opponents your plans. Moving forward, it was like, blah, blah, blah. I stopped, that was when I just said, I'm checking you out. I think you are working for these people. But what dropped me that day, he talked about your live stream with Baba Mohbad that day. And that live stream was when Baba said, Alelokpa Mohbad, before he got petitioned.
Yeah.
And Papariano made a statement saying, oh, if I'm this person, I would have, but let me not talk. People now said, don't talk then. Lo and behold, I was on another platform, one immunization. I also used to doubt that one. I didn't even doubt her before, but people now told me to check her out. When I checked, I just, followed her and left that place. She herself, there's top movies. That was when I said top movies. K-Crown was on that panel. And they were bringing him down. They were calling him a Mo. So I said to myself that, what this guy is trying to say, people are saying he's Oluless Nation, that's the anti-justice side. Why not just let him say...
K-Crown, that's K-Crown you are talking about. She looks like a bonga fish like this. He used to work for Kudi.
He's the mayor.
K-Crown used to work for Kudi. Is he not with Kudi again?
I don't know where it belongs.
Okay, continue.
So on that platform, he was trying to announce that Baba has a petition coming up. So he was commenting, and I said it that if people should allow him come up, it seems he has something to discuss with us. He now commented, replying me that you are smart, that you understand the move. So he now told me to go check his wall. So I checked his wall. Then he had updated the same petition Baba was to get. When he did this, it was on a Friday. Baba came on live stream on a Sunday and now saying me that he got a petition. People on TikTok can bear me witness when Baba made mention of it. By Monday, Baba went to court that period, the station that period, if you remember. When you even came, you gave a live stream saying Baba is fine, we shouldn't worry, that the people petitioned still showed up and all that. So I started wondering, I said, what could be happening? When the press release came out of why Baba was petitioned, it was referenced in Punch newspaper. People can go Google it and search it. It's on Punch newspaper, where Odumosu stated that Baba attended to a press in UK, abroad. So I had 1 and 2, and I was like, Jesus Christ. I remembered Papariano saying something about this. That was what made me now say, no. You said it, Ajekelano Omokuleni. Definitely, you are giving hints to these other people to use against the justice. Moving forward, so I started avoiding those platforms, and I was careful with platforms I was going to and selective with what I hear. Moving forward, I started observing that when these people's public lawyer got stopped, everyone can bear me witness. Please, it was from June or May ending. I think these people were kicked off around April or early May. But from May ending stroke June, Baba got his grant to do his private autopsy toxicology. Baba again got a grant, that's Mohbad case got a grant to run 2, inquests in a month. And things were going progressively. And I noticed that this set of people, they were always looking for a means to scatter everything. One way or the other.
Yeah. I noticed that what I did then was, you will see me that I blanked them because they are mere distractors. They are not important. You understand? You will see I never talk about them. I don't talk about them.
True. So can I go on, please?
Go on, my sister. Nay.
Thank you very much. So, moving on, I got to notice again, if you go on press release, you see all sorts that is going on. So, they at first, there was a period they were flagging Mr. Muyiwa, saying, take Mr. Muyiwa away, take his name away from GoFundMe.
From the GoFundMe.
People removed Mr. Muyiwa. That was around May. I can't forget them. It was around May. All these things happened. And that was what was making me look at him that, Papariano, this person that you're saying you're for justice, why not work with this man? He has come to your platform to beg you. So if you have an idea, what you need to do is this. You say he doesn't work with it, no problem. You have your people, you have your public lawyer. What you should do is like, maybe all hosts on TikTok that you believe in, that you feel that they are public, you have a WhatsApp group. When you have that group, you all decide what you want. Then the lawyer will go with like 2 of the heads and go work with Baba's legal team. Baba will be there. Then Mr. Muyiwa will be on a call with you people. At that meeting, everybody is signing and closing up on it, which makes it unison that we are working together. That shows that you are seeking for the justice. He said he wasn't interested. But Baba should come off, let the public take over. And I'm like, why do you want public to take over? It doesn't make sense. If Baba is the figurehead, Baba is the one that has the key to where Mohbad is locked. He's the one that have access to the body. So, and then if Baba says he doesn't want justice for Mohbad again, it will be over. Nobody will go on with it. So I saw that they were just, one way or the other. As of June, they ran to, if you remember, they ran to Abuja when Baba was at Brekete. And that day, even the true justice seekers, anti-justice, and these people I call moles, never knew Baba was going on that Monday. Baba had a live stream on Sunday on TikTok with people. We praised him. The next Monday, people saw Baba on Brekete. Lo and behold, that's when you saw that chairman and this other lady's saga, that they rushed to Abuja when Brekete was talking. And Brekete said, we will keep Baba till Monday because he's trying to call the commissioner of police at that time. So I feel that they had calculated their game that Baba is going to be in Abuja, let us quickly go. So I was not asking them at that period that why the desperation to buy a ticket from abroad, like you claim, and go straight to Abuja. I was on a platform, Aries platform. She cannot deny it. Even Susie for Justice said, I like you, but I've deleted your comment and I will mute you if you don't say what you don't talk nicely. And my question was this, because when Aries was talking, he said, Baba is a celebrity, people can go and meet him anyway. I said, why can't you people wait for him to come back to Lagos? Why the desperation to go to Abuja? After all, he has a church. If you say you want to greet a celeb, go to his church and go greet him. Don't be so desperate to go to Abuja. And you are making it like, then I said they wanted Baba to la pio Iyadura, so that they can work together. And I'm like, it's not possible. A woman that has accused her husband of buying her son.
Nay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's leave that. Let's go to this money part.
Okay, so now this money part now. On Sunday, fast forward, on Sunday, there was a host on TikTok. He brought Ada Universe to a show. So I was somewhere, some person shared, I went on the live and I'm like, okay, listening. Some person that asked her saying, we are public. There are things that I'm hearing that you keep saying public. Excuse me. Public. I need to understand that there are things you've posted there. We are public. We are not in the know of this. That why are you not sharing with us? She now said, sorry, you people are not my public. The Ada Universe has our own public.
Who said
so
that?
I was like, oh, Ada Universe herself.
Okay.
So that got me very interested in her matter. Although I've checked about who she was, so I went on, I've gone on her Facebook. You can even go on the Facebook. Anyone who is here, go on Ada Universe's TV. you will see what I'm talking about. Some of the posts are still up there. So I now sent a request. They asked her a question, ma'am, when did you register your foundation? She said, go on Google. She sent us to Google. Somebody else asked another question again. She said, go to Google. So I had to go on Google that very night. As she was sending, I went there. Meanwhile, what I have found on our Facebook account is that every of our posts is always about Mohbad and Edoche. But on Mohbad...
Hold on. Who is Edoche?
Yul Edoche, Peter Edoche.
Okay. Go on.
Yes. So on Mohbad's post, she's always putting account. Let me just take you through the channel on Facebook. Let me go there on Facebook and show you what I'm talking about. I'll put on my camera in order for you to understand what is going on. So
in every post that Ada put up, she's always putting account. In whose account? Whose name is that account?
It's first she had Ada Universe, Ada Wazobia Charity Foundation, a Polaris account. Then she has another one that is a personal account, Solomon Francis.
Hey.
Polaris account. Then she has had two PayPal accounts. As a new PayPal account, she has closed it now. And on her page now, she's no more posting any accounts.
So because you caught her, she has stopped posting.
Yes.
Go on, my sister.
She has stopped posting. So if you go on Ada Universe's page now, I'm showing you now.
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm seeing it.
Okay, thank you. On this button by the side, when you type on it, go to the search. Under search, inside the profile there, type Polaris. That's because of the accounts, in order to quickly show you. And PayPal. Those are the two accounts she receives money from, which I did. When you type them, you will see everything she writes. Karimons, blah, 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 blah. See,
but let me ask you something. What is the money she's collecting? What is it for? What is the money for?
So now I don't know, because when I showed her this stuff on TikTok, she didn't answer my question. She ran away. This is it here. You can see.
I've seen the account. And she even put her personal account. Lori oku omo lomo.
Yes.
Continue, my sister.
And the thing is this, she doesn't have only Ada University's TV at all. She has another Facebook account called Kasala TV, where she does this same thing and posts only majorly about Mohbad, putting the account details, where she has, I think, about 63,000 followers or so.
Hey.
She also has another TV station. This one is Ada Universe, yeah.
Okay, I should put it on big screen. How do I put you on big screen? I don't know how to do it.
Oh, okay. So the way you can put me on big screen is Jesus, how do I tell you now? Okay, you can tap on the button. On your button. There's a button there.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, expand.
You go to your
I should press expand, Abby.
Yes, expand.
Okay.
No, expand me, yes.
I've expanded you. Right? Okay. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Start
so
again.
This is it here. Thank you. So this is it here. When you see Ada Universe TV, when you click here, because now see all I post about even this person, she doesn't put account details. You see it here. So let me quickly juggle you fast to the current post of Mohbad. She doesn't have anything that has. You see now she has stopped posting too much of Mohbad. She has. Okay, so this is Mohbad's own now. This is a day ago. She didn't put
the account again because she has been exposed.
Yes. So this is all her comments. There's no account details inside. So what she usually do is this other foundation stuff. She puts account details inside. So now let me take you.
Hey, Omo Ibo to wa lu IGBT. Omo Ibo to wa lu IGBT. Lórí justice for Mohbad. Ó wá lọ mú Odekun. Ó pè yẹn ní Sanu. Ó ní yẹn fẹ́ wá jà fún wa. Àṣẹjọ fẹ́ wá jalè ni.
Oh, so this is it, what they keep doing. For me, I'm now looking at it that could that be why they were delaying since September that they were involved till May? Because if you notice, there was no progress. It was always extended. They keep screaming, you are not doing what we want. You see, this is another post. This was 3 days ago. 3 days ago should be on the 16th, right? I will show you. This is it here. She has stopped putting... Now she has stopped putting personal accounts.
She's putting the... So I'm asking a question, my sister. what is this account for? Because she's not even supporting justice for Mohbad. So where is the money going to? Who is having the money? Is she putting it in her pockets?
I don't know. And according to her and the people who contributed, she said a lawyer is taking 15 million. Someone testified that they contributed the full 15 million for the lawyer. So our people, the public, I'll play one where Papariano was saying they paid 5 million. Who will pay the remaining 10 million? I'll play where she now said that she had paid in 2 batches. They had to pay 3 batches. They have paid 2 batches. So maybe 5 million is remaining one more 5 million. So on this page where I said, if you go on the search engine, you click on Polaris. You type Polaris because those are the banks she uses, Polaris and PayPal. When you search PayPal on a Facebook page. So this is it here. You have Darosha arrested, blah, blah, blah. She gives false headline.
That's what she does. That's why I don't watch her. She gives false headline every day.
So see it here.
Donate for Mohbad here. Aye mio.
She has this Wazobia PayPal accounts here that they should pay into. Polaris account.
Lori Okwomolomo.
You see now, all these are about Mohbad. Karima exposed to me, blah, blah, blah. See,
and she's putting a PayPal account.
This is a new PayPal. If you open it now, you can't access it again. She has closed it down. They shut it down sharp. Even our web page, she has taken down that profile picture she has of Mohbad. She has put it plain on our website's page.
Hey!
What she did was, she created Ada Foundation after Mohbad have died. She registered a normal Ada Universe TV on the 5th of June. That was when she registered Ada. So, in a way, she gave birth to foundation after Mohbad's death. And in a recording that we play, she even still said that people were asking her for the foundation account. And I made statement that if you are doing a business, just like when you advertise this property thing, and I ask you, can I have your company account? Do you need to waste time? You will give me immediately back.
Yes.
But Ada's recording, she was saying they were asking her, she had to go get it. So I added 1 and 2. I said, for you to do that, that means you indeed registered on the 9th. Before you can have a company account, you should have registered your company because you will submit that at the bank. So having it, I will show you that one too. Sorry,
my sister. And to think that these are the set of people that are going against justice for Mohbad and they are telling people not to contribute into GoFundMe. I say it's by over £500,000. Go on.
So this is it here. All these are posts of Mohbad. Everything posts of Mohbad. You will see again. You see now.
Ada Wazobia charity organization. She puts 3 accounts there. Láti máa gba owó. Ibo lówó yẹn wà, ẹ bá wa béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
So this is another one. You see, this is it here. If you scroll down all our page like this, like I showed you search engine, it's all about Mohbad, and it has to do with the accounts.
Hey, what Lord.
It has to do with the bank. It has to do with accounts. That's what she keeps doing. But let me juggle you straight. So see now, this is another one that I'm showing you. This is 13 weeks ago. So this is what she does all along on all her posts. Even on YouTube, she talks about Mohbad. And she's not generating from there. Let me show you one of the accounts. Hold on, please. Please, I'm taking it down because of...
Hey!
So this is our other Facebook account, Kasala News TV. You will see it here. It says Kasala News TV is a
division of Ada Universe.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Inside here too is about Mohbad as well. And this guy, Ledoche, there's nothing like PayPal or foundation or soliciting money for a foundation. If you're a foundation, I believe that you should, on this one too now, she has stopped putting details like that. She stopped it. You see it? She has stopped. Even on her Kasala. But I will show you inside Kasala that she still put...
Abajo tó ń bèrè accountability náà bàbá Mohbad. Ó lè ló mọ̀ ẹsẹ̀ ó lè tọ́. Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ó lè àwọn ń jalè lọ sí bèrè accountability.
So this is it here. You see all her posts here on even the They are reporting me. They are reporting me.
What he remove na imoli?
They are reporting me.
What he flag na imoli? Nay.
Okay, so I will blow my camera. Let me blow my camera so
Okay.
that way I cannot be reported. Let me.
Okay, you know what? You know what? If they remove you here, tell okay, I will tell Gracie to give you my number or give me your number. I will call you on phone. One my solo phone. We don't need to see the update. Just come and talk on phone, please. Let me take you. Hello?
No problem. No, you can leave me for now. You can leave me for now. I will show my.
Okay. Okay, continue talking. Let's go to the money. The money. How do you know about the money they spent?
Yes. So for that money, so what happened was after I now asked her that question that she refused to answer. So I showed someone the day she opened the foundation.
Nay, please hold on. Can you see what they are doing? Because Nay was showing every of their ashiri. They are now flagging and they've reported that. Come about you can imagine. Go on.
Thank you very much. They've been doing that. They took down my other account, but we'll get it to come back later. So the thing is that she has on Kasala TV. I'll mention all the pages. You can all go there on your own. There's Kasala TV. That's Kasala News TV. Then she has Ada Universe TV. She also has Ada Wazobia Charity Foundation.
Hey.
That's a foundation page. But the truth about the foundation page is that she only posted once to solicit money. Once to solicit money for foundation. So, and she has another one, Angela Gist Me TV. It's all about Mohbad. She puts account details there, soliciting money. It's always all about Mohbad. She puts in there. So I looked at it. I said, if you're a foundation, you should not be restricted to only Mohbad's case. Because you said you are into humanitarian life, like you take care of people, you're a foundation. So your foundation should solicit in general, not just about Mohbad. So what I was not calculating is that she gives wrong narrative, headline. People are so, you know how people behave on even Instagram, just headline, caption. They don't read further messages.
Exactly.
So she sends out that, then make sure that somebody calls her or she calls someone, then they start talking on things that don't really, because I had to play a recording once for other people that were saying, no, she's talking about it. I said, okay, let us play it together. While we're playing it, I might forward you the video of the one we played, so you go listen there because of some, So I listened and I was like, this thing doesn't make sense. You're giving a wrong caption. So people see that you are working. They think you're working. You're really investigating and giving them information. So they will keep crediting. So there's a woman that told me that she paid in money into Ada University's platform. And Ada told her that she has opened the foundation long before Mohbad have died. Anyone can go to cac.gov.ng. It's showing there, registered 9th October 2023.
So she registered the account when Mohbad died just to scam the public.
Definitely. She registered after Mohbad have died, which says 9th October 2023. So, let me quickly do this. I will take the camera down. I will show you where it's been searched, so you see it. And others too can go. You can go on Google, type cac.ng.gov. .gov.ng. You will see it as well. And search in Ada Wazobia Charity Foundation. It's going to come out and give you the date she registered. So before we go to the part where this is it here, Ada Wazobia Charity.
She registered on the 9th of October 2023. So she purposely registered just to scam people to collect money from Ayema Nikao.
Thank you very much. So I will show you. I will go down to that page. While I was searching, so I had to start searching while we were searching because the woman commented. The first thing I showed was just that stuff. So the woman now commented. She just went on a certain platform saying, Ada, she told me that she had this foundation before Mohbad died. I remember we contributed money inside our accounts. That about 15 million for the lawyer, Blah, blah,
15
blah, blah,
million. Ah,
yes.
aye ma nika o. Lórí ọmọ lọ́mọ.
What other universe? Imagine. So what other universe did is this. On Sunday that I asked her that question, other universe rushed to go remit her money in the UK as that on the 15th of October 2024. And that's where we saw that 632,000 pounds. I will show you now.
632 what?
£1,000, under 632,000 pounds. So I keep telling our people, turnover. What does turnover mean? It means what you bring.
What? Yeah.
610,000. This year, 2024. And that was after, let me quickly take you down that date. That was after I asked her that, I showed her that account. This is it here. Look at it. They said full account submitted. Look at it, 15th October 2024.
3 days ago. Yeah.
Yes. And we asked her a question on the 13th, which was on Sunday. We asked her the question. I asked her the question on the 13th. I showed her that account where you have Solomon Francisca, other universe. So I said, Madam, your public have been bullying Baba, shouting that they want accountability. Ma'am, can I see the account of this? I need the accountability for for this your two Polaris accounts and also the PayPals. And I learned that you also have a GoFundMe as at last year. Can we have the accountability for that? She muted. She said she wasn't going to answer the question because she told the host that she was leaving. Lo and behold, I went on the search again for her after that woman cried on a Monday that, wow, Dada. So you created your foundation after Mohbad's death. I thought you said it was before Mohbad's death. So I now, because when the woman was saying it, and I went again on Google search about her, and I had to search for her name, Ngozi Uwaneto. So I said Ngozi Angela Uwaneto. So if you go on Google Angela Uwaneto, it will bring you things about Angela, and that was how I was able to open this certain page. Open endo.co.uk. It's a UK page where she went to remit this, and it shows full account submitted. And after she has done this, she has stopped putting Solomon, and now she has stopped even putting all the accounts on her page. So I keep saying, can you give us the accountability? Some of them are coming out with, oh no, it's not up to that. She's just saying, this is not a GoFundMe where you put a target. No. And I was trying to let them understand something, that she's remitting how much she has already, because this place is more or less like giving accounts. She says under 10 employers was what she registered. Maybe she said she has about eight employers for this period of the year. Then the turnover. And I said something, balance sheet is under this amount. I said, before you can have a balance sheet, you have a balance brought forward, and you also have what they call balance brought forward, credit, debit, all those things in accounting before you have under balance sheet. And I said something that it is possible that it is 631,999 pounds, maybe about 50 pence or 80 pence or 90 pence. But when you do the estimates, like round it all, you are going to have 632,000. Because if it is not up to 632,000, why didn't Ada herself remit 100,000 pounds? Why didn't she remit 50,000 pounds? But she had to remit it because either she spoke to her lawyer or the person who used to floor her or advise her, and the person said, quickly go and drop this, since they are asking you accountability for this. And this is it here, that Ada, bring out your statement of account. Let us see. She promised to bring her statement of account since 2 nights ago or 3 nights ago, because she was on my platform while we were live analyzing it. And she was calling the woman in question. Well done, no. You're trying to spoil me, bring me down. What I saw she was doing was she was trying to guilt trap the woman so that the woman doesn't talk more. So that woman said there's a Ghanaian man. The man used to drop in thousands for her. I will block my camera because...
Are you joking? Chemba? There is a Ghanaian man that used to drop thousands for her. Just because she's lying, she's collecting money from Mohbad. Sherry and Wayoyi. What do know about them? They are the one distracting justice. They are the one telling people not to donate for Baba. Baba is a scam.
let me get the woman's recording because we are all on a live stream, and you know people will screen record you. This live as we're having this, but people will still screen record. So let me try and get this. Sorry.
Eyan ma buru. Eyan ma buru. You know why I have come across that other universe once on Facebook. Mo wa rí pé topic you know, nǹkan tó bá gbé sí kò ṣe nǹkan tó bá kọ sí. Mo pé kí lè ṣe ń parọ́ fún audience báyìí. Àtijọ́ ẹ̀ mo ti ń wò mọ́. So what is let me quickly ask you something. Kí ló kọ Arifa pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń sọ yìí? Because I want to bring something out. Is Arifa among this plan? Because àwọn kan sọ pé Arifa náà ó lọ ń support wọn pé ṣó fún Arifa lówó ni kó máa solicit fún wọn. Because I don't understand.
So for that one, I think Arifa will have to answer that question. But what Arifa said on his live was that he just wanted us to know that Ada Universe is the owner of the lawyer, and it's not what's this person Aries that brought those lawyers. But according to even Aries' analysis, where she was screen recorded, and even this woman that used to be in their platform that was contributing money, not only her, there are some other people that have talked about it. Yesterday I discovered another person who still mentioned about knowing, you know, all this stuff that she never knew this was a gimmick, what she was planning. So according to what they said is this. There's an ex-judge, I'll be ex-magistrate or so, that's ex-judge, yes, that referred the lawyer to Ada Universe, recommended to Ada Universe. And I'm trying to make them understand that even Ada Universe is not the owner of the lawyer. She didn't bring the lawyer. The same way you're saying Aries didn't bring the lawyer. But the fact is this, they all work together. They all work in the same place. I will play where Aries confirmed it that she and Susie for Justice met on Ada's platform. They created a WhatsApp group before they brought Baba into the group. And Mr. Muyiwa didn't take their lawyer at first because they removed the Fadile. After they removed lawyer Fadile, Mr. Muyiwa brought Odumosu. She had to go relate it to Ada Universe that they are not taking these people. Ada Universe was like they had to push in for their own lawyer to be public lawyer. When Bankole and Smith, Sanshitu was coming in again, they still didn't take this Bankole and Smith. Mr. Muyiwa took Sanshitu instead of their Bankole and Smith. So I'm now like, if they're not taking your person, why are you forcing yourself inside?
Exactly.
That's before we discovered all this. So I'm not like, make it make sense. If the owner of the disease is saying this is what he wants, work with the person. Don't try to push him off. Because on the streets here, what they do is that they will tell you, Baba has to stop. Baba should step down. They want to take over.
Hey, they want to take over. Baba should step down. We want to take over. Public lawyer, my foot. But boy, my shesini to back pada lolo the 28th. And my shesini.
So I'm thinking, let me first play the woman's own before the other's voice though. So while we were live, that woman was on my live, and that's when she was saying, that a Ghanaian man does 1,000. Immediately while she was even telling us, she said, Ada is calling me. So we're like, why is she calling you? You get?
She doesn't want her to talk.
Yes. So that's how Ada now dropped the voice note, because the woman said it on her, like, Ada is calling me. And some people said Ada was here. Ada kept coming into the live like 3 times. I sent her a request twice to come up and just clear herself. Ma'am, come up and come and give us accountability. Your people have been dragging the father of the deceased, saying maybe he killed his son in order to make money. Saying so many things that is left with his daughter. That is why the daughter cannot come out and save me. They said so many things to character assassinate the father of this boy. That's Baba Mohbad. And yet, this is what they are planning. Now they were on our platform today. Explain to us, you public. They said, no, they don't need accountability again. Let's leave it. They don't want to be doing accountability again. That they are fine. When I said it's not possible, you people ask for accountability. All we are asking for you now is accountability too. Papariano was up today. He could not defend. He ran away. The IT guy, he could not defend. He ran away.
Ha! Lórí òkú ọmọ lọ́mọ, ta ló gbàdúrà 1 minute nẹ́yìn. Ta ló gbàdúrà nú gbogbo wa. Tí ò dẹ̀ ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kankan nú gbogbo yín. Olólùfẹ́ bàbá Mohbad lágbára Ọlọ́run. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí bàbá yìí, ṣé rò bí pé child's play ni? Ṣé rò bí pé baked beans ni? Gbogbo wa yìí máa rí àwọn ọmọ tiwa. Bàbá yìí ò ní rọ́mọ ẹ̀ mọ́. Ó dìgbà tí gbogbo justice for Mohbad bá stop. Kí bàbá yìí tó mọ nǹkan tó kúrò lára òun. Ṣé rò bá ń ṣeré orí ìtàgé ń bí ni? Ṣé rò bí akọ entertain viewers wa ni? Why are you people like this? And then castigate bàbá yìí kò sí show tó kì í ṣe fún bàbá yìí. Wọ́n á pè lólè, wọ́n á ní ó lè ní. Àṣẹyìn gangan ló lórí Oyènúsì. Ada. Ọlọ́run àbí. Àtẹ̀yìn àti Bankole Smith yín ẹ má ṣe sí kúrò nú high court yẹn ní on the 28th ni. Ṣé gbogbo ilé tó tẹ̀ ṣe yìí? Name, can you please, I will give you Uncle Ayo's number. Send it to him. They will send it to the legal team.
All right, ma'am. No problem. So let me play the woman's recording, the woman that complained. Please just pay attention. Then I will still play Ada Universe and also Aries confirming they are together and all that. How she joined. I will just play a few of this. Thank you. So it's just that Arifa, I think he was just trying to get us to understand that they didn't come from. That's what he opened his platform for, and he was trying to, in a way, promote the public lawyer.
Why is it? That is my problem. Why is Arifa promoting the public lawyer? Why?
I don't know why.
Anywhere below face. Why? I've said it several times, which I will continue to say. There is nobody to be trusted. And I know my reason. See, Buki back on sorrow, Mamani, Buki sorrow you, Buki of Ekelomi sorrow. If I should be talking here, Emma Ria and Lomi by Emma for Lorini. 99% of them, they are out there to scam, to milk the public. Most of it, women know say, but they will be here telling you, I want justice in you, I want investigating you. Scammers, ni many of them. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní fún gbogbo wọn ṣe. Àṣírí wọn máa tú ní. Please play it, please.
All right, please. Okay. So I will play it. Maybe according to how you say, but I'll just play it. Let me play there. I think about 2 of it or so. Let me see if I get this. Let me start from afresh. It's put in. So I'll play. I want to play the woman that felt duped. You know, she was heartbroken about.
Took money towards Mohbad, and there's no accountability for the money. Thank you, ma'am.
Hold on, sorry. Someone was still talking.
You opened my eye to see. I never knew the foundation was found last year. She told us this foundation has been existing since. That is why we are sponsoring. I never knew it was because of Mo. And I really bless God because I saw it yesterday. I was shocked. I had to call one of my sisters that we are all in that group. She was shouting yesterday because this woman screw us, not be small. But she screw God, not us, because we are not paupers, you understand? So maybe when I'm not the vest, if I'm not the given a gift, now wait till I don't see. What they don't do from that universe at that, now make me. Not the, I can't vow that I'm not going to give anybody anything. Even almost one cause problem between me and my husband because of the way I was sending money, like say tomorrow, not day. So now my eye don't really open well. Before I do anything, I have to watch very closely, and I don't give any eye again. You understand? Thank you, my dear Jari.
Were you on the live where they invited her? Because on that live, I showed her account.
I wasn't.
Oh God. That night, I just played it. I said, Madam, please let us know. At the court, I first played one lawyer that said he's representing the public from Nigerian Bar Association. Then, I now showed the account. I said, Madam, please, can you help us answer this question? Which one is your own representing? Which public? Then again, I now showed her the account. I said, make me understand. Why are you having Solomon Francisca? And your account is more than one. Are you remitting money to the deceased family? Like, are you trying to help the deceased in any way? We don't see you do anything. Please help us explain that part. Then I asked her the third question, that who are board of directors, the board of management, under that their plan? that they said they were planning to do. She could not answer. She just muted. Till Arifa's network, Arifa, I don't know, child dropped all of us.
Let me even ask you something.
She was like, she needs to go, blah, 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 blah. Please go ahead.
Nay, you know my problem now.
No.
All of us know that other them, they are anti-justice. Why was Arifa soliciting that he was advertising their public lawyer? I want to get no stop with justice for Mohbad inquest. I want Arifa long promote the lawyer one. I'm not surprised anyway. Oh, continue.
Thank you. But yeah, answer us now. People are not saying she should answer.
But my darling sister, wait, you know say Ada, she's not educated. You know that one. So maybe with her English, she's not that educated type.
No, the English no even.
My lawyer. She's not that educated.
No,
you know that. But for money, she know what she did. Yes.
The English not even hard.
And I want to tell you something. You know when Arifa has problem because he was really fighting for justice. So it was me that brought Arifa's story to Ada's platform. So immediately she said we should start donating for Arifa, which I did in her own what they call that foundation again. Then later she now came back and said, the money is
ó ti yé mi ṣé ń gbọ́ oh Nelly hold on ó ti yé mi sin nǹkan t'Arifa ṣe ń support wọ́n ní Ada sọ pé kán donate f'Arifa ó ti ń yé mi so you will owó máa bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ láyé yìí o owó máa tọ́ èèyàn ló máa kú tí very dark man tó bá ti lọ ṣojú kòkòrò lọ tẹ̀ lówó very dark man nobody was celebrated lẹ́nu yìí ṣé yìí people yóò kí ń rà túbọ̀ tọ́ ni tẹ́ fi owó ṣe ìgbẹ́kẹ̀lé yín Arifa ma support ẹ̀gbọ́n ni màmá yẹn sọ sí ó no gba Arifa wá fáwọn pé káwọn donate fún. Continue, Nemi.
Okay, sorry. It's buffering. Sorry. It's buffering. Okay.
Good morning. Then she now called me. Wait now. She now called me and said, that figure, he played you. I beg help me read that. I can say, what do you mean? Say I should send the receipt whenever we donate. She always take that receipt. So you have the record of this, so she cannot deny it. You understand? She cannot. So she said, you know, Europe money, you know, they like British, UK money. So read the figure. I said that if somebody is giving something out, you don't need to read. We don't give. That's how we office. So later she called me that, do you know that sound we took? It was 15 million they charge, which all of us in that platform, we donated.
Chenba, hold on. Nay, hold on. Shebo boyingbo. Wọ́n ní Ada sọ pé sanu ní kò bembe yẹn tó gbà yẹn. Wọ́n náà sọ pé 15 million ló dá fún sanu tí ó ti ṣe nǹkankan 15 million. Ẹ ṣọ́ ìpadà kọ́ ló kó yẹn sápò. Ṣé ṣọ́ ìpọn kó 15 million fún sanu tí mo wò yẹn. Ẹ̀yin gba sanu ó ti dupe àwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ náà ti san 15 million cash fún sanu yẹn. You can imagine. Àwọn tó wá true justice. Ẹ ń gbégi lé wọn. Ẹni káwọn èèyàn máa lọ síbẹ̀. Olè ni wọ́n go fraud me. Ayé mà níkà o. Alákàrà tí ò fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ni kejì dín. Ẹ máa bú ẹ̀yin èèyàn o. Ṣé bàbá yìí gba gbèsè lọ́wọ́ yín tí ò san ni? Tẹ́ bá ṣe máa jẹ ẹ fi bàbá yìí sílẹ̀. Ẹ máa búlì ẹ máa ṣépè fún. Ọlọ́run á bí yín. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí bàbá Mohbad á ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo yín. Àfi t'Ọlọ́run ò bá sí lókè. Go on, Lenny, please.
Okay. Sorry, it's buffering. Okay.
Complete that man. I never knew they were doing mago. My dear sister, if I not give a gift, you push make una no vex for me at all. Because anybody that comes to that platform say, they see vision. Tomorrow we'll do this, and I need a carry for it. Oh yeah, let's play. So,
sorry, it's buffering. The reason here is because his girlfriend.
Èyí mà ní ká o. Èló lówó. Owó máa tán.
Justice, now all screwing me left and right. You know, if not, she wouldn't have been calling me and be begging that I should come back. It's too late because I knew she's not even doing the right thing. Why I left them, she said at times they would bash Baba. I now asked her, if you are fighting for this one, why are you bashing this man? I said, if you start doing this, I will not even call. Then the last one before I left, it was a lady that called from Lagos. I think she's from Lagos. She said, 2 weeks, we are going to get you. Oh yeah, now me start donation. Oh yeah, I begin to bomber everybody.
Wò ya oníyà tán jẹun.
That's why I left at that university. You can call. I even want her to come. You know me now. I will finish her online. She not go school. She not go school. That woman. Great with money. But you know, apart from all those money, it's that sacrifice, you know. All I'm praying for, we should get justice for more. That's it. Not justice we want. That is it. Thank you, my darling sister.
You're welcome, ma. Thank God for everything. Okay, so let me play where Aries talked about them joining the how she met what's her name, Susie for Justice, and they all came from other universities platform. So because they were always arguing that no, they don't know each other, Susie is not Aries and these people, they are all not together. But when you look at it, they all work together, they are intertwined together, they fight for the same cause. Please, I'll quickly, I'm checking my archive, I'm going through the folders, please. Just hold on. Okay, let me just go into the album. So yeah, I'm going to play where Aries spoke about it. And I will still play you. Then before I will not play you Ada University's voice record when she called this woman while we were live. She called her. I was now telling her that well done, blah 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 blah.
Sorry, Nelly. Do you know what Shemon Koton do me Junu Gbogbo? You have nothing to lose in this Mohbad's case. Rather, you are making money, milking the public. Yeah? And to think of it, inquest to the Katiba Shelobai, Katiba Bitatide, and you let to log be lawyer, then no so for color block it. And you are now telling the public you are for justice. Ada and a court. Ọlọ́run á bí gbogbo yín. Nǹkan tójú bàbá Mohbad ń rí láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́. Àtèyítà mọ̀. A ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo yín. Ìkà ni gbogbo yín. Ọlọ́run á bí yín. Ọlọ́run á bí gbogbo yín. Tẹ́ bá nídìí owó, ẹ lè pa kọ́bí yín kẹ́ pa àbígbẹ̀yìn yín. Kẹ́ bá fi wọ́n cash out. Wọ́n tún wọ́n máa bú bàbá yìí, wọ́n máa pe bàbá yìí lónìí, wọ́n máa pe go fund me. Gbogbo yín pátápátá. Ọlọ́run ò ní yọ̀ǹda ìkọ̀kan nu yín. Nǹkan tójú bàbá Mohbad rí pátá. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ń group yẹn lójú yín máa rí. Go on, my sister.
Okay, so I would just advise everyone, please brace up for whatever you would hear. Don't take it personal because of maybe Baba's talk, what he said about it. Let me first restart it and forward it to the place that is, so that I don't bore you. I'll forward it to where they started talking. I'm coming, I'm refreshing it. Let me take it to the front. So in this recording is where
Mama Mohbad is doing.
This is where Aries was explaining how she knows and where she I'm forwarding it so that we move forward from there. You just get
So we're giving Baba Mohbad, giving him, you know.
Sorry. Yeah, I've passed it. Okay, I've taken, let me take it back a bit. Sorry, everyone. Please just take it.
It's not going to stop nothing, so it's going to just help, and hopefully we'll get to this destination as soon as possible. Let's just keep going. Everyone play their part.
Yeah.
Justice for Mohbad.
Justice we must surely get for Mohbad. Everybody type happy birthday, Phoenix. Tag Phoenix, Patricia, happy birthday.
2025, inshallah.
Justice, everybody type Phoenix, happy birthday, Phoenix, happy birthday, Phoenix in the comment section. Tag her.
Happy birthday, Phoenix. Happy birthday.
A justice birthday. What about that? Happy justice birthday. Justice, happy birthday. Happy birthday, justice. Happy justice birthday. Gospel. Happy justice birthday. I don't know what the master. Is that one a good name? Good morning, Queen. How are you?
Good morning, my darling sister. What's going on? Yesterday, I went on one line. I heard you were calling your name that Iris new, Lord Iris, your, do you have your name? Your, I can't even remember, Ada, your Ada, whatever. So I now slept off. I said, I'm going to ask you this morning, what's going on?
That's how me too. I see him. I don't get lawyer. I don't get case. I don't know why they're calling Asmith and Bank calling my lawyer. I don't know. The same way they were clamoring for Shitu, I'm clamoring for Smith and Bank calling, and they start tagging him as my lawyer. Good morning, Queen of Ghana. They are tagging him as my lawyer, and you know what? I'm beginning to like it and embrace the name. So what? That means if that is my lawyer, that means Supreme is say, right?
You know what? In Nay, their thing is irritating me. Can we just
Okay.
Just
Let me forward it again.
I don't want to hear anything that is not relevant to this. Please don't play.
No, it's relevant.
What are we trying to bring out here? What are we trying to?
Yeah, it's that she's from what's this person's name? She's actually from Ada Universe, where she met and how they created.
Okay, but both of them are claiming they don't know each other. Abi?
Yes, they are trying to claim. But Aries had already said it that they know themselves. What she's claiming is that she wasn't the one that brought the Bankole and Smith. That is Ada. But in this same recording, that was where she exposed that it was the retired judge that referred Bankole and Smith to even Ada Universe. So even the Bankole and Smith is not even still Ada Universe that brought like that. Somebody, it's just like maybe I should call on your show and say, oh, let me give you lawyer. So it's still not Ada Universe that owns Bankole and Smith. So that's why I'm like, why are they trying to market it more? Like, oh, these two.
So why are they marketing it more? Why? What do you think is that game?
Because what they are trying to do, initially, I might have to send you one. There was the recording where, you know, on a certain platform, the person was saying, Baba legal team are fighting for Baba. That's the thing they've been pushing out there. That Sanshitu is not fighting for Mohbad.
Hey.
Sanshitu is not doing anything for Mohbad. For Baba. And they were like, even that man, he has a case, so they will be fighting for him. Mohbad doesn't have a lawyer. And Mohbad needs a lawyer. So that's what they are trying to push in.
So they want to get money for Mohbad's lawyer again. I want to gba lawyer for Mohbad. So Baba Sanshitu, Baba ló ń jà fún. Ṣé àwọn people ìṣeré ni? Àwọn wo ló ń wò wọ́n náà? Who are the people watching them? Arifa ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Arifa said so. Yeah. I'm not disappointed with Arifa now. Arifa tó jẹ́ pé ó lọ gbéyàn wá láti ta tó sọ pé PA Elegushi ó sọ pé kò ṣé láti jọ Arifa ti sọ kíni Arifa kí mi káàárọ̀ gan máa lọ wò ta. Ẹ tó lè gbéyàn wá tó sọ pé PA Elegushi ó wá communicate pẹ̀lú òun jẹ́ kí n sọ yẹn báyìí fún yín. Kí l'Arifa rò débẹ̀ tó lọ make up story yẹn. Arifa yẹn ni gbogbo yín yìí ń wò lẹ lọ gbọ́rọ̀ tó ń sọ ẹni tó lọ gbéyàn wá ìjọ tí mo ti gbọ́ voice yẹn báyìí táwọn èèyàn ní tó wá ń gbé voice yẹn kiri wọ́n ti rí yín wọ́n ti rí gbogbo yín tán. Arifa tó lọ gbé ẹnìkan wá tó kọ làsóhùn tó sọ pé PA Elegushi ó sọ pé kóun máa sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní kóun name price òun. Arifa tó yẹ kó fẹ́ ṣe wedding gbà yẹn ni tó wọ́wọ́ wedding kẹwàá dáwọ́ wedding fóun wọ́n wá ń use gbogbo yín. Ẹ lè imagine àti ẹni mi ò ti trust Arifa wọn Arifa bá kí mi káàárọ̀ máa wò ta ní nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn àná ń jà fún justice ó dẹ̀ lọ gbéyàn kan wá ó ní kó wá sọ pé Elegushi ń bẹ̀ òun Elegushi ní kó má sọ̀rọ̀ mo ní make it make sense ẹ wò gbà tó lọ fún inquest náà ó ní wọ́n rí mọ́tò Elegushi níta inquest àwọn èèyàn wá ń gbé kiri pé Elegushi wá sí inquest mo níta ló sọ wọ́n Arifa Money make it make sense. Kill the legal sending quest. But the people you saying go no buy just because they want you to be giving them money. Hey? Yeah, you know. And it don't take my you gonna for you just to be relevant, just to collect money from you people. Ah, me go away you. Continue, my sister.
Okay. So I'm going to continue now. Sorry, I got distracted. Let me play so.
Oh, yeah.
Should I send you the recording? Maybe you don't want to, or I should go ahead and play it.
The recording is not editing. The money they stole. You have told us about the money. That is the main thing. You see how those their voices is irritating me. Because I'm just wondering, how can somebody's child die? You all came out that you want to support this man. At the end of the day, look at the inquest they scattered 2 weeks ago. Up till now, just because they want to be milking the public, come at Dawo. Báwo la rí fàṣẹ sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ gba lawyer fún Mohbad. Shitu, bàbá ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún. Àwọn wo ló ń wo àwọn people yìí ná? Ẹ fẹ́ gba lawyer fún Mohbad. So àwọn English kan tún máa dáwó fún wọn. Kọ́ máa dáwó fún wọn. Ah. So what is happening now, my sister? Are they still okay? Go on. What did you say?
Okay, so right now, what they are doing is like at some point they stopped talking, and what they came up this morning on a platform where we were on York Daddy's platform. One of their people, Papariano, was on the live, trying to defend, and we said, okay, we need you. I showed him. He was just being so defensive. He was saying, no, show me. I showed him. I said, please, can we see accountability? And he dropped and left. We need the account of this. You people should bring the statement of account. One of the other person, the IT guy, calls himself, after parabolating and going around showing his house and everything, we still asked him, can you call Adenike, Aries and Co to speak with Ada to bring out statement of account? Yes, I was to play you Ada Universe's voice record, yes, while she was speaking to that woman.
Okay, play that one. Play that one.
So none of them have been able, I'm searching for it now. None of them have been able to defend their boss. They keep running koto around. So I don't know why. Trying to defend themselves, but they've not been able to. So let me first play this one. This is one of the voice recordings. Let me increase the volume. Sorry, please hold on.
That me at that.
I'll play it again. Let me start from the beginning.
If somebody tell you, Tina, that me at that is not fighting for justice. Me, Ada, is not fighting for justice. You yourself go sit down and say, yes, I am not fighting. All of you now, they tell me, put a card number, I'm never complete. Put a card number. Including you that is shouting, put a card number. Now they don't put foundation card number. You sit turn around. Say, and they use our job money. If I don't put now, I don't put a card now, they say put a card number. Put their card number, they will forget money for some. I will never pay some. Foundation was existing before Mohbad died. I did not touch.
You see, she lied there. Nelly, stop it. Stop it, Nelly. She said something now. She said her foundation was opened before Mohbad's death, but she's lying because I can see it when you showed it now. She opened that foundation in October. Immediately Mohbad died. So she purposely opened that foundation to scam people, to milk the public, to make money from the public. But she lied that the foundation had been opened before Mohbad died. Continue.
Thank you. Okay.
When the last batch. That last batch, we will see PM. With your support, without your support. I don't carry. Now, person give me this video. I don't say I give all the old people. I go say I give it to. I give everybody. Give Arifa. All of them go see here. Thank you. Continue, Tina. It's only God that can bring somebody down. Unless they do what they do, I get motive.
So let me play the second one.
Tell you.
This is the second.
I'm calling you to tell you to continue, Tina. That's what I'm calling you for. Because I heard you say she dey call me. I dey call you to tell you to continue. Because just keep it up. Don't stop. Continue. If your hands are not clear, you will social media. And the ES is not even for Nigeria again. And you take a foundation and open overnight. For those of you that say they take because of Mohbad Gba Owo foundation, that foundation was existing already before Mohbad Gba Owo.
You are lying.
And when they don't want to put foundation, no. Now the lawyer said he wants a foundation that public cannot just come.
You open the foundation to scam people.
And we took the fear.
Look at how she's lying with her full chest.
Let me play again. There is a part you should take notice of where she said that the lawyer advised them to get that they need a foundation.
I heard it. I heard it. So which lawyer told them they needed a foundation? Is it the Bankole and Smith?
I can't really say. Who knows?
Bankole and Smith. O ma lu leni. Gbogbo yin ma lu leni. The lawyer told her to open the foundation so that they can scam the public together.
So can I go ahead and play?
Go on, my sister. I'm listening.
I took it back a bit so you can hear again.
I'm calling you to tell you to continue, Tina. That's what I'm calling you for. Because I heard you say she call me. And they call you to tell you to continue. Pico, just keep it up. Don't stop. Continue. If your hands are not clean, you will fear. But once your hands are clean, you will not fear. ESPC is involved. Report the foundation. Now, why are you making noise on social media? And the ESPC is not involved for Nigeria again. And you take a foundation and open overnight. For those of you that say they take because of Mohbad Gba Owo foundation, that foundation was existing already before Mohbad Gba Owo. And I did not want to bring foundation. Now the lawyer said he wants a foundation that public cannot just come and hire him. Somebody has to stand.
You can imagine. The lawyer said he wants a foundation. Please, who has that Bankole and Smith number? How can a lawyer? I will say so. Hold on. Why holding the? Oh Jesus! I know many of us are gullible on this social media, but please don't let these people work on your gullibility. So lawyer told them to go and open a foundation, that they have to pay him through that foundation. Tani were lawyer to sobe. Me, my boy Enrique. So the lawyer told you to put foundation out. You put your private accounts out. You put PayPal account out. You put 4 accounts out. Every of your fake posts, you are always putting 4 account numbers. That woman that spoke with Nei, the woman said, I am always pumping money. Anything. Oh, mama, that was it. Oh, so that was it. Go. Oh, fe da jare láàrin òun àtọkọ òun. My sister, is there any other thing you want to play for us? Because later,
I think that's for this one. That's it for now. That's the key one. That's it for now. They can always have the recompense if you want it. That's it for now.
You know what?
It's going on, but the key points, you have gotten the key points. So,
you know what, my sister? You just keep watching over them, you know? Put your eyes out there, yeah? Thank God they have been exposed. And I am sure this, my video, people will take it to YouTube and everywhere. So people will be aware that Ada Foundation and all of the accounts she has always been posting is scam. Do you understand? Yeah, my sister. And stay safe. Nobody can threaten you. You said, èyí tó dàbí èkòló yẹn, kí ló kọ èyí tó dàbí èkòló tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún kúdí ńgbà kan yẹn. K-Crown tó dàbí èkòló, tó dàbí ewúrẹ́ tó ń yàgbẹ́ ọ̀rìn yẹn, ìyẹn náà, that one is threatening you. Káyọ̀dé Emmanuel Adébíyì. Ṣé kò bá kúdí ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ ni? ó dàbí Èkó ló ti bá wò báyìí bí ṣòkòtò ha lẹ́pọ̀n ni o bí ṣòkòtò tó bá lórí sẹ́ẹ̀lì ló wọ̀ ni o gbogbo ṣòkòtò ẹ máa sá sókè bí àwọn àfáà tẹ̀sí blim ni ìyẹn náà sọ pé ó fẹ́ threaten èèyàn ẹni tí òyò tó fẹ́ threaten èèyàn àbí kò ṣe cake count tí gbogbo white ẹ máa ń di colored white ni àbí kò ṣe cake count ó dàbí ṣe mekolo tó bá rìn lẹ̀lẹ̀ tá máa ń dayọ̀ sí lórí yẹn cake count yẹn tó jẹ́ pé bí ṣòkòtò àwọn bàbá tẹ̀sí blim ló wọ̀ ni kò yé mi ṣòkòtò ò kan lẹ̀ rí á fún pamọ́ lẹ́pọ̀ àtòkò ní gbogbo okó òjò okó òdèrè ọtí báyìí lọ ìyẹn cake count yẹn náà alẹ̀ mọ́yàn orí ẹ̀ ti burú kí n tẹ̀ tó mọ nǹkan tí máa wá bá fún ṣé kò bá Kudi ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ ni torí mo mọ̀ pé pa Kudi ni àwọn oníjẹkújẹ anywhere bẹ̀lẹ̀ fèsì ní gbogbo wọn anywhere bẹ̀lẹ̀ fèsì ní ẹjọ́ mo bẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò wá Ọlọ́run á bá mi pèsè fún yín ọ̀nà yín á là sí rere ẹjọ́ ẹ má dáwó fẹ́yàn kankan mọ́ ẹ má dáwó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé mi náà ti sọ even ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá gan ẹ má ì tí ì dáwó until ìgbà tá bá rí progress until ìgbà tá bá tún ní ìjọwọ́ ẹ má contribute fẹ́yàn kankan ẹ má contribute fẹ́yàn kankan wọ́n fi yín cash out ṣówó yẹn wá easy fún gbogbo yín ni kò easy fún yín náà Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó easy fún gbogbo yín ní lágbára Ọlọ́run don't contribute to anybody again please ẹ gbọ́ àdúgbò owó tọ́ní adá tó scam public báyìí gbogbo wọn wá jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ ìtorí gbogbo wọn ti ní percentage tó máa gbà abẹ́ ẹ̀mọ́ cake crown yẹn ni ó dàbí Humpty Dumpty orí labí ìyẹn náà ó wà lẹ̀mọ́ nẹ́yìn ṣòkòtò ẹ̀bí tàwọn tẹ̀sí bílíìmù ni ó dàbí Èkòló ẹtí Èkòló tó máa ń rìn lára ilé tó máa ń buyọ̀ sórí ẹ̀ pé kiri ni tí ó máa ṣọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad irúkẹ́ wọ́n ń pe gbogbo ẹran tó níwò ìgbín náà yọjú ìyẹn náà alẹ̀ mọ́ nẹ́yìn God will protect you. I appreciate you so much. Nẹ́yìn ti lọ nẹ́yìn.
I'm here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God will bless you. God will cause his face to shine upon you. When we have people like you, I won't say literate in the justice for Mohbad. Look at all of them. All of them. I want anti-justice. Miss I want to nation see you. Shall I want to nation? Ati me pa anti-justice la won. Kí wá tún ní tàwọn tó sọ pé àwọn support baba they then jali public. Nay. God bless you, Nay. For exposing the evil people. God bless you. And God will cause his face to shine upon you. Kékàún oníkun lọ́pọ̀ bí kò okú ẹ̀ dàbí ìdérí ọtí gbogbo kó ìjìbá yẹn á wọ ṣòkòtò yẹn á fún pa báyìí ní ẹ̀ ní kí kankan wájú ṣòkòtò publicist ìjọ mi ìrántí ìgbà kan tó náwó publicist bàbá mox look up Kékàún the publicist ọlọ́mà ló yẹ wá kẹ́ ṣé ká ló ṣe publicist bàbá náà bó ṣe máa kówó jẹ ni àwọn wèrè àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad sọ mí di nǹkan ohun àlẹ̀mọ́ nẹ́yìn tèmi nẹ́yìn ohun àlẹ̀mọ́ nẹ́yìn àbó fẹ́ tó sí nẹ́yìn ni tó sọ fún wa tó kọ́ sọ pé gbogbo yín cause fuck ni ẹ̀yin kò ṣe àmọ́ ìpolúlẹ̀ nation àti justice ni wọn ẹ̀yin ada group wọ́n dẹ̀ ń cause fuck ara yín ẹ̀yin olóbùkù tẹ́ bá ṣe ṣòtọ́ lálẹ́ ẹ bọ́ sẹ́yìn inú WhatsApp ẹ máa kọ́ bọ́ra yín díẹ̀ ẹ máa jòbó àtọyàn síra yín ẹ̀yin olóhùn dédé ṣé lẹ́yìn ó wá wà standard yìí ẹ̀rí lẹ́yìn ni àpọ́nmẹ́pọ̀ rẹ̀ àbí lẹ́yìn kọ́mọ̀ wẹ̀ àbí fẹ́ kọ́ fàyín lẹ́yìn ló fi gbóre wọlé lẹ́yìn kọ́mọ̀ wẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ṣé lẹ́yìn ti lọ ni lẹ́yìn ṣé wọ́n lélẹ̀ nǹkan tó dá wọ̀n lẹ Kékàún ṣé gàrí ló fẹ́ wá fún lẹ́yìn mú nìyí ó sọ pé ó fẹ́ tòsí lẹ́yìn ó kó tó fẹ́ kọ́ fídíò lẹ́yìn dà clean girl ní lẹ́yìn ẹ wo lẹ́yìn bó ṣe fine ẹ rí oníṣòkòtò test blim òun náà sọ pé ó fẹ́ lọ mú lẹ́yìn lọ́mú tó bá bí bàbá ẹ̀dá lọ bá lẹ́yìn wàá rí nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ máa rí orí ẹ̀ burú a máa ṣe am publicist òun àti Kudi gbà ẹ̀ bóun ló ń tọ̀ Kudi ni bí Kudi ló ń tọ̀ Kudi á ní my publicist Àjàtúká ló parí gbogbo wọn. A máa ṣe publicity. Kò ríṣẹ́ gidi ṣe láyé ẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn tó wá publicity láàrin àwọn celebrity. Ó máa gbé folder dàbí folder tó Bukọ White ni. O Bukọ White dá. So ti rest in peace ni. Ìyá Mohbad nǹkan ṣe gbúrò ṣàṣàngele. Gbúrò gbogbo wọn. So ti lọ lé tàràrà ni. Ilé lọ tàràrà. Olùlẹ̀ nation. So ti túká gbúrò wọn. Aṣáná kújọ́ mẹ́ta ò pẹ̀lẹ́. So ti sọ fún ẹ 24 la máa pàdé ní DNA court o. Publicist gbogbo wọn wá fún àwọn lórúkọ Arifana ìyá gbé máìkì ìyẹn sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ di newscaster á ti lọ sí corona inquest àṣàpọ̀ ẹ̀ ló ṣiṣẹ́ fún á lọ máa interview bí ATA ló ṣiṣẹ́ fún ni o bí okay Ada TV ló ṣiṣẹ́ fún á mú microphone baba what has happened today can you tell us what has happened today. Ọlọ́run mi lè wait ká ṣe justice of Mohbad tán mi lè wait torí oríṣiríṣi lójú mi ti rí lórí justice of Mohbad. Gbogbo wọn bá sọra wọn di nǹkan àwọn èèrà àwọn èkóló àwọn tí ò bá ṣe ikú Mohbad ta ló mọ̀ wọ́n mi gbọ́ gbogbo orúkọ tí mo gbọ́ láyé mi gbọ́ rí láyé mi justice of Mohbad ló jẹ́ kí gbọ́ gbogbo orúkọ yìí mi mọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé máa gbọ́dọ̀ tàbí justice of Mohbad kí mo sọ fún gbogbo yín. Kí ni mo sọ fún gbogbo yín mo ní I don't do group to mi lè join group ṣé ká sọ pé mo ti join gbogbo wọn náà ṣé bó ṣe máa fi ìrẹ́kúrẹ́ rá mi lára ni èmi tí mo sọ fún gbogbo yín pé ṣé gbogbo yín fẹ́ bá mi jàǹgbà yẹn ó jẹ́ kí n máa bá gbogbo yín jàǹsìn ṣé rántí gbogbo yín fẹ́ bá mi jàǹgbà yẹn BJ ò kí ni BJ go and join the group work together èmi tó yẹ pé ọmọ ẹ̀mí ni mí ṣé ká ní mo ti join group wọn bó ṣe máa fi èkóló àti ìjẹkújẹ rá mi lára ni tí mo mọ̀ gbà tí mo ti ń build orúkọ bọ̀ àwọn elébi àwọn ọmọ elébi lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin màá wá join group ṣé ìrẹ́kúrẹ́ ẹ wá máa pè mí náà sí kí wọ́n máa ṣe accountability mi máa ń mọ̀ wàrà mi ẹni tó bá mọ̀ wàrà ẹ̀ kò ń tẹ́ gbogbo yín bá mi jàǹgbà yẹn BJ tí ẹ ti ṣe kíní kan jù BJ ò fẹ́ join group BJ ò fẹ́ mo ní I don't do group ẹlẹ́dàá mi ò ṣe group ni ẹ wo gbogbo àwa tájọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní September 2023 mélòó la kù mọ́ ẹ̀hún lóhùn sọ pé many of them we want to laugh well okay báwo dẹ̀ máa ti nẹ́yìn ìdára yìí o okay àti mo nẹ́yìn wá sẹ́gbẹ̀ padà okay ẹ̀rọ ojú mi látàárọ̀ mo ti sọ fún gbogbo yín máa ṣe Bukky Jesse kò fẹ́ join group kò fẹ́ tẹ́mi ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n fẹ́ forúkọ mi scam ni gbogbo yín máa bá mi jàǹgbà yẹn BJ ó ti jọrọ ẹ̀ lójújù kò fẹ́ join group ẹjọ́ sáwọn tẹ́mi fẹ́ bá mi join group lélẹ̀ àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin wọn gbogbo èrò ni wọn bí con scam public ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ṣe é sìn tẹ́ bá mọ̀ nǹkan tí many of them tó ti cash out lára yín I know the end of justice ọ̀rọ̀ kí gbogbo yín tó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé ìdọ̀tí tó máa fi rẹ́mi lẹ́nu lára ni ká má rí bọ́ọ̀sì mọ́tò Elégùṣì níta request ká bọ́ta ká sọ pé àti rí ní request ká wá lọ gbéyàn kan wá kí ló rò débẹ̀ yẹn náà tẹ wá fọ́ọ̀mù ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ gba 50 million mi lè gba 50 million kábíyèsí ní ká wá bẹ̀ yín ni wọ́n ní kẹ́ má sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mọ́ ó yẹ lọ san 30 million mo fẹ́ 30 million mo ní tábà tẹ̀ wá ń dáko Elégùṣì ṣé ẹ̀rọ Elégùṣì wà educated ni àwa wo àwọn èèyàn wá jókòó síbẹ̀ ìjọ náà lọ́n ju voice yẹn sí mi BJ àṣírí ti tú mo cast voice note yẹn bí wèrè kò dá nǹkan tí gbogbo yín ṣe o kò dá o tẹ́ bá rí mi tí mò ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí mo rò pé ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí anybody ẹ gbàgbé pé a fẹ́ rẹ́rìn àbí pé a fẹ́ support bàbá yìí ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ pé support tó ń support bàbá yìí ó ti sú ẹ you can as well take several steps and wish us well instead of ẹ̀yin tẹ́ support bàbá yẹn lẹ́ni ẹ wá sọ̀rọ̀ yín di anti justice níjọ́ kejì just because of ìjẹkújẹ Kò senti nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí bàbá yìí ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Bàbá Mohbad ò envisage pé tó bá sọ fún ní 2 years ago pé àkọ́bí ọmọ ẹ̀ máa kú, ó máa ṣépè fún wòlíì tó sọ fún ni. Ó wá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí àtèmi, àní rí kú ọmọ lórúkọ Jésù. Ayé ò ní ká wa lẹ́yìn ọ̀kan lórúkọ Jésù. Ó wá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ṣé the next thing fún wa ni láti máa fọmọ ẹ̀ cash out? Give or take, èmi ni mo mọye tí mo ti ná sórí justice for Mohbad. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ bàbá Mohbad tẹ́ ń wò wá iná, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọye tẹ́ ti ná síbẹ̀ lórí pé ká rí justice. Gbogbo yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ mọye tẹ́ dá ní gbogbo owó tó ń dá tán lọ fi ṣe autopsy labroad àti gbogbo ẹ̀. Owó lawyer San ẹ̀yin lẹ mọye tẹ́ dá. Ṣé ẹ ní nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ fowó yín ṣe ni? Ṣé ẹ nẹ́bí tẹ́lẹ̀ fún lówó yẹn ni? But ṣé gbogbo yín tán mọ́ bàbá Mohbad ni? But just because you want the truth to prevail, ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí òótọ́ ṣògo lórí ìdájọ́. Àwọn kan wá jókòó síbì kan, ẹ wá ń cash out. Báwo lẹ ṣe ń sùn lálẹ́? Báwo ni àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sùn lálẹ́? Ẹ tún wá ń cash out yẹn tán, ẹ tún máa bú bàbá yìí, ẹ tún wá against àwọn tó ń sanwó. Ẹ máa gbọ́ go fraud me. No wonder. Ẹ rí gbogbo wọn ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń fọwọ́ nù lára. Kọ́ gbé wọn sínú owó oil well gan, kó lé wọn lára wọn, ìtorí ẹni ìkọ̀tì ní gbogbo wọn. Ẹ wo gbogbo owó tó kó jẹ, ẹ wo bí gbogbo wọn ṣe rí, wọ́n jọra wọn. Wọ́n dàbí ẹni tó ń fọwọ́ nù lára. Kò sí bá ṣe lè ṣèbòlò kó má rùn bẹ́ẹ̀. Àní kọ́ gbé wọn sínú owó oil well. Wọ́n lè àgùntàn wọn ò lè pàṣẹ ìṣídà. Tani ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad yóò ti sunu gbogbo wa. Ó ti sú everybody. But people are just keep pushing it. Ipe a máa gba justice ńjọ́ kan. Ẹ̀yin kan dẹ̀ jókòó síbì kan. How do you sleep at night? Tí conscience yóò dẹ̀ máa sọ fún yín pé ìkàlẹ̀ ń ṣe owó òkú ọmọ lọ́mọ ẹ̀ ń kó jẹ́. Bàbá tó mọ ẹ̀ kú gan. Kò ì tí ì jèrè kankan. Bó tẹ̀ wá sọ pé kàtẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n tẹ̀ wá settle bàbá yìí pòkè o. Bàbá o. Ẹ lè jìyà àgbà tọ́mọ wà láyé, kẹtún jẹ́ ìyà àgbà tọ́mọ kú. Tí ò bá ṣọpẹ́lọpẹ́ ẹ̀yin kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ ń support bàbá yìí. Bàbá yìí ò lè ṣiṣẹ́ kápẹ́ńtà mọ́. Ẹ wá lọ gba òbẹ̀ǹbẹ̀ ọdẹ́kùn lọ́ọ̀yà kan. Ẹ wá fi yẹn ẹ fi stop inquest. Inú yín dẹ̀ ń dùn. Ẹ dẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ justice. Make it make sense. Àbẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́tádá sọ pé I support justice. You supported justice. O de lo mú lawyer wa kó wá wá against inquest. Ṣùgbọ́n táyé tọ́lọ́run bá ń bẹ. Tí ẹ̀mí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ wà. On the 28th, tá ń lọ fún hearing yẹn. Àtẹ̀yin àti lawyer yín ẹ máa ṣe sí kúrò nǹkan tu yín. Ẹ máa ṣe sí.
Èyí náà ti rí ohun tí a mú wá fún wa lénìí. Ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa subscribe sí Orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ẹ bá wa tẹ notification bell so that a bá tún mú àwọn àkọ̀tun wá fún wa. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ò kọ́kọ́ máa rí. Títí di ìgbà tá ò tún máa pàdé lórí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ó dàbọ̀.